Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So I'm making this particular video on how we find the play and how we make money, and some people were requesting to do that. So that is why I'm just making the video today. So you can see that today the SPY was really red. It was down a lot, like from the top to the bottom, almost $13, a big drop. But over our Discord, we made a lot of money. You can see with ticker symbol AGRX 75%, ENDP 82%, Tour another 50%. Even with BABA and BA, we made money in the morning with call options. So I'm going to talk about how I find plays and how we made some money. So basically what we do in the morning, like we go to pre-market scanner and we try to see which one are getting a lot of volume, okay, a lot of volume, and what's happening. Then we identify some play. So over my Discord, if you're following, then definitely you know that before 9 o'clock, I always come with such a chart in Excel with different ticker symbol, with your entry and your exit and some kind of note. Then I also come at 9 a.m. Eastern time to talk about the plays, why we're playing and everything. Okay, so I'm going to talk like how we made money. And by the way, if you want to join my community, then the link will be in the first comment, also in the description, just $9 per month. So let's talk about ticker symbol AGRX. So the pre-market was really high, so we had two things, 1.6 or even 1.4 or 1.7. So let's have a look how it was played. So when we talked about this, right, so it was just over 1.7. Our next area was right around 1.6 area. So after the market open, it came down a little bit, and definitely using your EMA line and MACD, you can definitely find a good entry. So it was a good entry point here. Some people entered here around 1.6, some were waiting for break of 1.7. See how it moved. I'm gonna go to a 1 minute chart just to show you how it was a nice play today. So you see it went up, came down, then it retested 1.7, right? Then it started moving higher, went up, came down, and the resistance was right at 2.1 and bounced off that 2.1. So when something goes over the resistance and come down and bounce off the resistance, it makes a new support. So just from here to here, let's say from 1.7 all the way to 2.7 is like 56% move, big gain. Okay, so it was coming down and it was such a level we were eyeing on that, right? So it came down, and some people, you can say like, okay, lower high, a bounce, then it broke out again. The next leg was again, like if you think this is a good area to enter, you can see again another 32% move. So that was a good one. And if you see that when in the morning we talked, we came up with 1.9, 2.1 and 3, and AGRX, like it went almost like 2.8. Okay, it didn't hit 3, but still a big gain. The next one I want to talk about is ENDP, and you can see how this thing moves. So ENDP, we were looking for 0.4 or 0.46 break, because by the time I was looking at it, it was right around here. It was trying to break the 2.46 area, right? So what happened after the market opened? It broke 0.46, it went up, came down, and the resistance became the new support. Then it just broke through, and the entire day it was going higher. And the lines here, you see, these are the lines I draw normally in the morning when I make my trading things. So you can see that I post like regular chart, I post like, it can be anything like AGRX or something. So I come up with plan. You can see the time like 8:46, 8:30, this kind of thing. So anyway, so let's go back and how it was moving, right? So it was hitting all the resistance, came down, and it was bouncing. So even that was a nice trade. The plan was good and the execution was even better, like 81% move, 0.37. So we were looking ENDP 0.55, 0.6 and 0.68. So I was not expecting that much. I was just thinking 0.68, but it went all the way to 0.82. Then what happened? Came down right at 0.68, again a small push, and now with time it came down. So for the day trader, it was a dream trade. Okay, then other one was ticker symbol TOER, Tour. So in the morning, again based on the volume, we were eyeing on this. And how we planned? In the morning, it was a support at 0.72. It hit 0.9, came back. So how we planned before 9:30, you can see 0.72 and 0.6. These are the two areas, and our target was 0.9. So how it happened? It came back to the support. Then it made a nice move from here all the way to 0.9, 25% profit. So these three were really great. The other one I was talking in the morning, and I just want to show you on a 1 hour chart on ticker symbol BABA, that was for the option traders. Yeah, so that was the sweet spot, right? Because we were thinking, okay, if it can run, definitely it will have some resistance at 120. If it can run even more than that, then after 120 it has a nice room to 128. You can see how Baba ran initially in the morning, it came down. But the biggest one I love today and made some money, especially this is ticker symbol BABA, because you can see the line here 140 142. If that thing is broken, it has room all the way up to 149. So that was the big thing we were looking. And see what happened after the market opened. It lots of volume came, it went over all the way to 146. So if you're playing with call option, like $6-7 movement is like $600 profit. Then with time it was coming down, but as a day trader you just take your profit and just enjoy. So these were the main ones today. So you can see, like, before the market we just made some plan. This is very, very important, right? This is 9:23, just before the market open, right? So always when you day trade, especially, what you do, you make a plan. Okay, plan for your trade, then once the market open, then execute your plan, or plan your trade. The next part is trade your plan. So you have a plan, then you just trade as per your plan. Okay, that is how you make money. And always make sure you should have a stop loss, because sometimes everything will not work. CEVFM. So in the morning, yes, after the market open, it popped, then after that it came down. So if you took profit, that is good. But at least if you had a stop loss or a trail stop loss, it took some profit. Look at the other ones. Then we have KZR, we also have AMC. So they all popped in the morning. Look at AMC, right? So popped a little bit, came down. So always have some kind of stop loss, so that if you are wrong, you just cut your loss at 3%, 5%, whatever it is, but let your winners run. So maybe you lost 3 trades at 3%, but see if you can make 182% or even 50% profit, then you are on the roll. So anyway, it's not dropped, it should be 50%. So anyway, just wanted to make this video super quick so that you know how we plan. So in the morning, like what I do, wake up and try to find the play, which one is moving, which one is getting lots of volume, is there any catalyst, any kind of news. I go to the chart, then I find which chart looks promising. Sometimes you will see something goes up a lot in the morning, then with time it comes down. As an example, AGRX, look what happened. Look what happened the other day, right? Yesterday. So pre-market, a big move, then it was just coming down, down, down. Entire day it came down. So it was not a good one. But today, see what happened? It was holding the levels, right? Just at the time of the market open, it was holding the level, then the volume came and it moved. So this is how, like, you need to know how to play, what should be your stop loss, when to exit, when to take profit, not to be greedy, this kind of thing. So anyway, just wanted to make this video so that you know, like, how we plan. And definitely you can plan in different ways. And also when we trade, I like to use EMA lines. So basically when you use EMA line, you get better confirmation when to get in, when to get out. You can also use some kind of MACD. You can see MACD crossover, you can see EMA crossover, perfect combination. Also it is bouncing off the support. So enter here with a stop loss. If you're lucky, you make a lot of money. So anyway, I'm going to stop now. And if you want to be part of my community and get access to my Discord, please join the Patreon, get access to my Discord, and you will get like alert like each morning. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Take care, and let's make some money together. Bye bye.